When it comes to choosing the best golf balls for amateurs, the obvious choice seems to be whatever the pros are playing. We're here to review the best quality balls for your game so that you can have more fun, shoot lower scores and gain long distance. Number 1, most popular. TaylorMade Project S Golf Balls. An all-new design of golf balls was released in 2018. The TaylorMade softball option comes in a 3-layered design with improved performance due to the all-new dimple and core pattern. The new core, dual distance, features a softer and larger inner core, which allows for a reduction in a spin with a great feel. For maximum distance and velocity, maintained due to the new resilient outer core made from polymer. Less spin off your drivers, and longer irons give you less spin on the green side because of the ionomer cover, made even softer material. The 342 dimpled ball reduces drag, and there is a major reduction in backspin, allowing more distance from your swing. Number 2. Bridgestone 2020 Tour B RX Golf Balls. This Bridgestone Tour B ball makes use of proprietary technology in the cover. It's made from reactive urethane, pushing the abilities of a regular urethane tour ball to new heights. This 3-piece ball design is among the best golf balls for any player whose swing is under 105 miles per hour, which is likely most amateurs. It delivers durability and accuracy, and is a ball that easily competes with the likes of Titleist or Callaway. However, the amateurs who have issues with spinning a ball with their wedge may struggle with this Bridgestone. You can spin it, but it doesn't seem to come naturally. Beginners will struggle to stick the landing on the green. Number 3. Snell MTB Black Golf Balls. With strong performance and a cast urethane cover, even a tour pro would acknowledge its caliber. Their only real weakness is getting the right spin on the green, especially if you compare it to the Pro V1. They nonetheless remain one of the best balls on the market. The best thing is how you can play these as your affordable alternative to the V1X and still have a similar experience with a V1X ball when you play a match. Test one for yourself. The 7% lower compression core gives excellent distance, and the 360 dimple design allows for great control when putting. Number 4. Titleist Velocity Golf Balls. It may come as no surprise that Titleist sits at the top of this list of the best golf ball for amateurs. The Titleist Velocity Golf Balls are built for long distances and lots of feel and control. Titleist makes a wide range of golf balls that will work for all handicaps. If you want to hit the ball a long way and have it stop on a green, the Velocity is a great choice. Another great feature of the Velocity is that they are mid to low compression golf balls. With this mid-range compression, golfers of varying swing speed and skill levels can benefit from what the Velocity has to offer. Number 5. Vice Golf Tour White 12 Golf Balls. The Vice golf balls may not be as well known as other golf balls on the market, however, they have plenty of great benefits to offer. The Vice Golf Tour White is made with lots of durabilities and is cut-resistant balls. The amateur player is much more likely to cut a golf ball with a poor swing. This is understandable and expected. However, a good golf ball will help to make sure it doesn't mean you need a few golf balls per round. The thing we love most about the Vice Golf Tour is that you get lots of control around the green. If you like to try and stop a ball with your wedges. Number 6. Callaway Golf Supersoft Golf Balls. As the name states, this ball is a super soft ball. It excels around the greens, which they feel is superior. When looking for the best golf ball for amateurs, the game around the green is critical. To achieve this great feel around the green, the ball is made with an ultra-low compression core. This means that the core material is not as tightly wound, resulting in a softer overall feel. The Supersoft is a 2-piece ball that tends to be on the cheaper end. So here you'll get a relatively cheap ball with great performance. The pattern enhances lift and reduces drag. This results in a low spin on full shots.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.